Good afternoon, Valor families. It's Tuesday, day 2 of the 2021 school year, and on behalf of myself, Mrs. Hoffman, Mrs. Dubé, Mrs. Davis, Mrs. Creary, Mr. Curtis, and Mr. Demoter, we want to say thank you for your patience. Thank you for sharing your families and the students with our school and sharing the vision for a better education for all of our students. As you know, we've run into some technical issues this week, and while that is frustrating, we are doing what we tell our students to do, which is adapt to what we know. So to that end, I want to make sure you know and assure you that there are no assignments due this week. Nobody is falling behind, and our first assignments don't come due until next week, and we will have to adjust the assignments and what is due for the rest of the school year. Make sure everything can get done in that period of time, but we will not be doubling and tripling up people's work. And you have my word on that. We'll make sure that gets done. So I want to thank you again for the patience and for being part of the Valor family. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. I am hopeful that this will be all set up by Thursday, and they'll be ready to go. Okay? Send any questions my way. And again, thank you, and I'll be in touch again soon. Bye-bye.